Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the stroke effects for text inside a CapCut. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what I'm going to do is open up CapCut, and now I'm going to continue with an old project, and then I'm going to add some text into this. So I'm going to click onto text, click on add text, and now I'm going to put in some text here. It says enter text, so I'm just going to say stroke effect. Now I can change the font here if I like. So there are free fonts and pro version fonts. If you want to check out any of the pro version fonts, I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check out CapCut Pro in a free 7-day trial. In saying that, I need to pick a font, so I might choose, I reckon Flourishing looks pretty cool. All right, and then I can put this text where I want to, maybe down the bottom, and maybe make it a bit bigger as well so you can see the stroke effect in place. And now from here I want to go to styles, and I've already got stroke highlighted, so go ahead and click on stroke. You've got glow and backgrounds and that, so yeah, click stroke, and now choose what color you want on your stroke. So if I want just grey here, I'll click grey and then change the width with this slider, like so. You've also got more colors here, so if I want to have a blue stroke, go ahead and click blue, like so, click tick, and yeah, that's it, how to add a stroke effect to your text inside CapCut.